20th anniversary, 20 years of rugby, 20 years of sailing. Woodbees, them guys say if the guys from Guam win, they want that artist from Guam. So you can line up a Guam artist too. But we know what's going on here. They say line up a baby killer. Guam in front, but Woban is right there behind them. And following Woban is the guys from PM. And the guys from Success just making the marker up there.
Okay, we're looking at the communities, both Success, Petit Martinique, and Woban. Alright, so the finals of the junior races. So, folks, once you're looking out there, you're seeing foremost is all the teams represented right now, yeah?
Jillian, way back in. Jillian, say back in the guava. I'm looking at the guys in front. They're from Guam. They're in the green boat. Guam in front. Following them is the guys from Woban. Woban in the red boat. And the guys from PM.